Welcome back everybody on the VST channel. This here is my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is a very beautiful wallpaper that I'm just going to set up on my home screen and lock screen. And as you can see, there is no joke, it's indeed a very beautiful wallpaper, and I managed to get it on my home screen and also on my lock screen. But what you don't know is that I'm already using the latest Google Pixel AI Wallpaper generative tool. So the video is going to be about this, guys. And why am I doing this, or why are we doing this? Well, you might have seen there are so many leaks right now around the upcoming One UI 6.1, and of course it's going to be huge with AI. Why? Because of course Apple and Google are also pushing this. You might have seen my videos about the Pixel 8 Pro with the video boost, so about editing and the audio noise reduction and everything else that is really strong about AI, right? So AI is going to be a huge thing. And also the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip is titled AI chip, AI again directly by Qualcomm themselves. So yeah, those are the leaks, but this here is a real thing, and you can just see it works really as designed. So I'm able to generate whatever I want. So first things first, guys, how do we get there? I want to thank Patrick for sharing this in the VST chat, and also of course give credit to the creator. So this solution has been posted on Reddit by Hammond Robotics, so all the credits goes to this guy. Very nice job. And by the way, I'm going to put a link down below into the comments of the video where you can go and download, because we need to download one APK to enable this. So how does this work, guys? What do we need? The first things first is we need to install the Google Wallpaper application, and you can do this directly straight out of the Play Store. So it's there. The moment you download it, guys, you're gonna have access to all these beautiful, nice Google wallpapers. And second, you need to visit the link here from Hammond Robotics himself. So he put a link down below to the AI wallpaper. So once you've downloaded the APK, you just need to install it. Now I'm going to install it one more time, showing you how this works. It's pretty much as simple as that. So just click on the APK and install it. Step number 3 is to open the Google Wallpapers application. And here, this is the tricky moment, guys. Now you need to head down to the live wallpapers, because the AI wallpaper is actually going to be there. And the moment you open it, directly click here on the cogwheel, guys, and your journey into the world of generative AI wallpapers will begin. So apparently you're able to change a lot of the things there. You can come up with different colors, and you can create everything you want, and like AI generated. And every time you click one of those parameters, guys, Google AI Wallpaper will give you all these beautiful things. And you can also change all of the things here, like terrain, or even go for night. So I can tell you, it might be a bit addictive. And now the main question is, like, how do we set this? This is very key. We need to thank again to Hammond Robotics who invented this. Now, if you click here on Set Wallpaper, let me show you, because everybody will do this. It will break, so nothing will work. How do we do so, guys? We need to prepare the fingers to take a screenshot, and then click somewhere to get rid of all the menus and actually just take a screenshot. And I know this sounds lame, right? But this right now is the only way that it works. And the moment you guys just put it on your screen, it's going to get really beautiful. And I understand this is not the full-fledged solution. If you want to wait for a One UI 6.1, be my guest, right? But if you right now want to try some of these very nice AI generated wallpapers, then you don't have too many other options, guys. Playing with this tool alone is calming, it's relaxing, so you might as well want to test it. The moment the beautiful magic of the AI kicks in, guys, and you get a wallpaper, you can just browse to the right. You don't like this, scroll to the right. You're gonna have more like this or that or that. And if you like this, guys, then you can go and change it. That's the Bloom one, the soft focus. There are really so many things around, and you can just explore this on your own. Again, all the credit goes to the Reddit guy Hammond Robotics who invented this. So just go there and like his post on Reddit. And I want to thank Patrick for putting this into the VST chat. So Patrick007, and also the man himself, who again is the Hammond Robotics. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like videos like this, yeah, you can as well wanna like the video and sub for the channel. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.